So I want to show you how to create more commercial and natural lines, which is not too sharp and which is not too light. So it's going to be a little fat, but also all the lines is going to be very close to the base, to the roots, okay? So to have little like direction from the roots, we're going to back comb. So you have to be gentle, you don't have to take a lot of hair. So it should be like this quantity. So I'm holding my hair like this to the front, yeah, and hairspraying to the roots before I start back combing, because it's gonna be more easy for me and I will have little texture on the roots. So this is a direct back combing when we are pushing all the hair very close, and this direction only we are back combing. Usually teasing the roots not only to give a volume, it's more to give a direction and to keep all the hair together, otherwise it can be separated, right? All the hair that were back combing, now we're going to separate and open it very wide. From the roots, okay? Like so. You should try to cover all the lines, all the side lines. I take all this hair and we're gently combing, not too deep, otherwise you can release this teasing hair that you are creating. And I take this hair without hairspray, as you can see. I'm gonna put like this stick to support the ends. And also this side. I'm going to do cleaning technique, which means that when you can see this short and tiny hairs which is broken and damaged, right? So you have to pick up all this hair before you start pulling and cleaning. You can use shine spray, wax spray, or ordinary hairspray. But when you're using ordinary hairspray, you have to hold it very far away, because it doesn't have to be sticky or too much hold. And that's why it should be flexible and movable. You should hairspray from far away like that, and then you should comb it very gently like this. Okay, we are combing, but we're not releasing the back combing hair and decreasing the volume. So we should be very gently combing all the hair, okay? So, and now I'm taking all this hair again and combing. When it's clean enough, we don't have to use too much comb now, because we want to create more commercial lines, right? And that's what we're gonna just pull it. The lines that we're creating is gonna be a little bit wide, yeah? And it's not gonna be too like big and high, very gently, because when you hairspray this part, you can also hairspray this part, and that's why you have to cover the area that you're not working yet, because you can make this hair more sticky. Then I finish the roots, right? And then I can put some pins to support these lines, because I'm gonna work with these lines later on, right? And that's why I'm gonna touch it, I'm gonna move it. It doesn't have to get this hair like open it or move it. They should be in the area that they are now. If you see that it gets messy a little bit, then you can take the comb and comb it very gently and pull all the hair again like that and create again these lines. Okay, don't have to get like slim or very like thin. As you can see, all the hair gets together now. And that's all. As you can see, we have very commercial lines, which is a little bit bigger and wide. It's not too slim. And I'm taking all this hair, yeah, to one side like so.